What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Cat Kid. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw an oval for the left eye. We're going to start from the very top. Just going to come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye and pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to draw the same size oval on the right side touching along the inside. So come down towards the bottom, up, and then back down. Let's draw two curves on the left side of each eye. So we're going to start from the top, and this in, and then down. Go to the right, and do the same thing. Now I'm going to push the nose over towards the right side. So touching the edge of the eye, we draw an oval going around. Draw a small oval on the top for highlight. And we'll fill the bottom of the nose in black. From the center of the nose, draw a straight line coming down. And we'll add a curve going across for the mouth. Now from here, we're going to draw the cheek going out and then in towards the left. So we're going to start from the bottom of the eye, go out around the mouth, come across, and just pull that up to right about there. Now you want to overlap the arm on top of the head. So we're going to step back in, angle this up and out with a straight line. Now on the edge of the arm, we're going to add a curve. Going down and then out. Let's connect the ends with a curve, like a half circle, going up and then down. And then from the bottom, we'll step in, angle the arm coming in towards the body. Now I'm going to add a brush, pencil, and Sharpie across the edge of the arm. So let's start right in the middle with the pencil. Draw two straight angle lines. It's going to get wider as you go out towards the end. And we'll pull that up and in towards the center point. Let's add a line across the bottom. Fill in a tip. Now from these 2 points, we're going to add a few curves going across. Let's go to the bottom of the pencil, add one curve, step up and draw that again. Now along the top, let's add the brush. Again, we're going to add two lines, going wider as you go out towards the end. Close off the end with a curve. And step down and add a curve across the bottom, and we'll fill the bottom of the brush in black. Let's go back up to the top, add the bristles going out and up. Just going to curl this around and then back in towards the top. Now I'm going to come down to the bottom and add the Sharpie. Start with one line going out, step down, go out wider along the bottom, close off the end with a curve. Now down here, add a straight line. Let's add a highlight along the outside of the Sharpie. Just going to trace this out along the top, come down, and we'll fill the center. Let's add the tip of the Sharpie with two angled lines. We'll fill that in black. Now with the hand in place, let's go back and draw the top of the head. We'll start from the outside of the right eye, go up, and round up the head, come down, and then in behind the arm. Now I'm going to draw two angled lines from the top and bottom of the eye, come down and out toward the left, go to the bottom, go up and out. Now I switch to a thick marker and fill that inside area of the mask in black. Let's add three small dots on the left side. And we'll go up to the top and add two curves above each eye for the eyebrows. Now I'm going to place the ears on top of the head. We'll start on the left, going up and then in like a triangle. Go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we want to add some stripes across the bottom of the arm. So we're going to start underneath the hand, bend this in and up, step in and draw that two more times. Now just underneath the arm, we're going to draw in the back. We're going to go out, go across, and then in towards the leg. Bend the leg coming down towards the heel. From the heel, let's draw the foot. Going around, go up. I'm just going to pull that down on the inside. Let's draw the top of the leg, and up, and then in. Let's go back up underneath the head and draw the body going out, and just tuck that in behind the leg. Let's draw the back leg in behind. We'll start down here, pull this down and up towards the heel, curl the foot, down, round out the foot, and then pull that back up. Let's bend the front of the leg, coming down and up in behind the body. Now the right arm I'm going to stretch out towards the bottom. Starting up here, angle this down and out. Now we're going to curl this up and in underneath the head. Let's add a few stripes across the bottom of the arm. Now you want to continue this curve coming down and up underneath the arm. Let's fill this area in black. Now connect the bottom and top of the arm with another half circle, going all the way around and back in. And we'll add 3 pencils on the end. Let's start with the one in the middle. Draw 2 angled lines, going wider as we go out, and pull this back in towards a point. Let's close off the end with a straight line. And then again, from these 2 points, we're going to add a few curves. Let's add 2 more pencils along the top and bottom. Start with the one on the top, going up. Close off the end. And we'll add that detail along the inside. Let's add 1 more pencil along the bottom. Now let's go back to the left side and draw on the tail. We'll start up here, start by going out, and up, and round up the tail, and then bring that back down. Let's round up the end of the tail. Now you want to make the tail get narrower as you come back in towards the body. Let's add some stripes across the bottom of the tail, starting from the outside, going up, and just work our way in. Let's add some stripes across the back of the legs. And we'll add a few stripes across the back, going in and up. And now I'm going to layer the cape in behind the tail. Start underneath the arm, bend this down, and then out behind the tail. Let's continue down toward the tip of the tail, and down towards the bottom of the cape. Now from the bottom, we're going to add 3 curves coming back in towards the foot. Go up, and then down. Add a second curve, and the third one going in behind the foot. Now I want to add a highlight along the top edge of the cape. Just going to trace that curve going across in behind the tail. And then we'll fill the inside of the cape in black. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our cartoon illustration of Cat Kid. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.